And guys, I'm saying this guy baring 4K. I got to D what? This guy last anaring. I just bought a Maybach. I'm not going back. I'm saying that guy. Like, it's a Nigerian guy. Yeah, guys, just watch this video.
They said go back. And we decided to buy a Maybach. We are not going back.
Yeah, this guy, guys, like, this guy was arrested by the Cape Town mayor. Yeah, by the Cape Town mayor. Here's the video. Another video.
Brand new Merc, no license, no registration. This car's going to be impounded.
Oh, I don't want to back. I'm very sorry. I do not.
And then, I don't know, or when you come to internet, or you're an illegal what, or expose everything about yourself, then what do you expect? What do you expect as a Nigerian person? Because you know, or vele as South Africans right now, we are fighting for the country, or in a country where we know we are no more mixed. Like, we are only South Africans. So you come to the internet and then you say your things now. So my Bruella after that came back and apologized. Here's the video.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is 4K Dynasty, CEO 4K Dynasty Investments Limited. I'm here to make an apology for anybody that must have felt hurt by me putting on the Zulu outfit and cultural attire.
Yeah, what I think, Corre, as like now, we apologize. I don't think Reclamo forgive and something. We are not gonna forgive anyone. Bruella has to learn a lesson. Or whatever we do wrong. It's a lesson that if you know or you are doing some things that South Africans don't like, keep quiet. That's how you'll be safe. That's why you'll save yourself from so many problems. Because what I know about my country now, my South African people take their country serious. They won't just like watch we're now playing. They will come for you. South African don't let everything slide and be like, nah, let's just ignore him. Brother, they will never let it slide. Just watch. They will show you what kind of people are you dealing with. We are not here to play. This one, so when I